This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta lasagna. First, you'll prepare your delicious meat sauce and a smooth bechamel. Next, cook your lasagna noodles to the perfect texture. Then, we'll layer everything together in a baking dish. Finally, we'll bake it until it's beautifully golden and bubbly, ready for you to enjoy. It's a straightforward process that yields amazing results. Let's get started with the components. For the meat sauce, brown 1 pound of ground meat, then simmer it with your favorite tomato sauce and herbs for at least 30 minutes. For the bechamel, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour, then gradually add milk until it thickens. Cook your lasagna noodles in salted water for about 8 minutes, then drain them well. Now for the fun part, assembly. Start by spreading a thin layer of your meat sauce on the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, lay down a single layer of your cooked lasagna noodles. Then, add more meat sauce, a dollop of bechamel, and a sprinkle of shredded cheese. Repeat these layers, ensuring you finish with a generous amount of cheese on top for that perfect crust. It's almost time to eat. Bake your lasagna in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. For the first 15 minutes, cover the dish loosely with aluminum foil to prevent the cheese from browning too quickly. Once baked, let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This helps the layers set beautifully. Garnish with fresh basil for a lovely finish and enjoy your homemade lasagna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.